Hi, I'm David Haynen, the president, founder, and cosmetic chemist for Loma. So let's talk about color care. At Loma, we really don't advertise that it's color safe, but actually if you look at the ingredients and you dig into the performance, you're going to find out that Loma is beyond color care. Most of the brands that are color care out there just utilize a particular ingredient, and they're only talking about the deposition hair color, which is covering gray or covering red or turning hair red or purple, different things like that. But if you look at statistically in the salon, over 65% of the hair color that leaves the salon today has some form of high lift, foiled, or bleached hair type. So we cover the deposit hair color. We have a specific organic blend of fennel seed and sunflower seed extract that specifically talk about color fadage, preventing the color fadage, and helping deposit hair color last longer. It really goes in there and kills the excess ammonia and peroxide left over after a hair color. But the key ingredient that no one else is really using, that we've used for over 15 years, is creatine. Creatine is synthesized in the laboratory. And what creatine does is it basically rebuilds the hair's muscle, because when you bleach hair, you damage the muscle. So creatine rebuilds blonde hair. So if you have foiled hair, bleached hair, highlighted hair in any way, shape, or form, you really want to use Loma on a daily basis, because the creatine is going to do a couple different things. Rebuild that tensile strength of blonde hair, because it gets very damaged, very soft. It rebuilds that muscle that the blonde or the bleach takes out of the hair shaft. When you get a fresh foil, it looks great for 1 or 2 weeks, then you start washing it, things like that. The creatine helps to keep that blonde hair brighter longer. So the balance of nature and science brought together with creatine and sunflower seed and fennel seed extract, really, we're more than any other brand. We're talking to deposit, high lift, foiled, and bleach hair types all at once. With over 60% of the clients having some sort of high lift or foiled or bleach service with their color, no one is really talking about the need of bleached hair. Bleached hair loses its elasticity, which means its internal strength, which gives the shine, the luster, and the strength to the hair. We are so innovative by the use of pure creatine. Creatine is synthesized in the laboratory. It adds strength and structure to bleached, foiled hair types. This is what creatine looks like. It's very water soluble. We had to bring it over from Europe. With creatine and the other key extracts that we use, we take care of both deposit hair color, which is covering gray or depositing red, different tones like that. But no one else really talks about the need of foiled and highlighted hair types. That's why we infuse our brand with creatine. It adds structure and strength to softened, weakened hair through the bleaching and high lifting process.